Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the lock code on your Weiser lock. So the very first thing, because I just removed it, oh, I'm sorry, is to we had two screws, one here, one here. So we had to use the screwdriver to take it out, okay, and keep those screws very properly because you should not lose them. Now with this model, it's going to be the two-step process. Step number one, remove the existing code. Step number two, set a new code. So for in order to remove the existing code, what we are going to do is just press this button, then put your code, okay, and press the lock button, okay. So I'm going to do that. Oh, sorry, because that it timed out, okay. Oh, sorry, timed out again. Again timed out. Okay, so now it's done. All right, now step number two. So you have to be quick before you do that, okay. Step number two, something similar. Press the button, select the code, and press the lock button. Long beep means it's done. You can test it, of course, like lock it yourself, then go and press that, use that. Oh, it's working perfect. Okay, so two step. Press this button, program button, go put your old code and press the lock button, means it's done. Step number two, press this again, and you got to be quick, and then go again, set 4 or 8 and press the lock button. It's done. Very simple process. That's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.